all being recorded.
Just please sign it, please. I'm begging you to please.
No problem with you signing. Just calm down.
Please just sign my
Do you hear
paper,
what he's saying?
please.
He has no problem.
Yes, you do. You know you do. Please, you
Step
please just
outside.
sign
You're
it.
not going anywhere. You
Please,
get that?
please, you do. Give it to the supervisors.
On February 11th, 2024, at 12:47 p.m., an assault occurred at Warren Bar in Orland Park. Officer Conway responded to a disturbance involving Ushana Dotson Powell, age 19, and Warren Bar staff.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, take a breath.
Please, excuse me, ma'am. They telling me to go home, and I'm just telling them to sign my worksheet, and I'm going to leave the building.
Okay.
I'm going to leave the building.
Staff reported Ushana Dotson Powell, a temporary CNA, had been asked to leave due to unacceptable behavior. According to Leslie Douglas, Ushana retaliated by screaming, cursing, and threatening to fight.
Don't get the whole. They're not trying to pay me for my business 6 in the morning. I just want to get back. Oh, he looks
So is this the only way?
Yes, this is the only way. For one of them to Saturday, I just want to go.
Yeah, but you're screaming at me, and I can't process what's actually
Please, okay,
happening
I'm sorry.
because there's too much.
Okay, I'm sorry, but can you please just ask
I'm
him?
not trying to remove
Can you
you
please
in an
just
aggressive
all I
way.
need is for him to sign my
Who is your
paper.
supervisor?
Upon Officer Conway's arrival, Ushana was screaming hysterically at the entrance, making it impossible to communicate.
Try to
Ma'am,
sign it.
I can't
No,
hear.
because he's not listening. I just want
You're
somebody
not
to sign my paper,
You're
bro.
not listening.
Can you sign my paper?
Listen.
No, just my name and sign
He
it.
is going to
You just
listen
need to
if you're-
sign. Why are you touching me?
Because you're not listening,
Can you
and they're
please
asking you
sign
to go.
this?
Again, I need
Can you please? Why are you touching my phone?
You're telling me to
Please,
touch your phone.
I'm asking you to have them sign my
I'm
paper.
not having them do anything.
I please,
You're
I
not
just want to go
listening. Get
home.
out.
Please, oh my God, I know that.
talk outside. Let's go.
No, no.
Let's talk outside.
No, listen, I just need a signature to go home.
Even with backup, her screaming hindered attempts to speak with others.
I just need a signature. I just need a signature, and I can. They not trying to pay me. They not trying to pay me.
They're saying she won't stop screaming. I'm trying to talk to them.
Can you please sign this? Can you
the phone.
sign it?
Give me the phone.
Can you ask somebody
Step
to sign
outside,
it?
and I will talk to
No.
them. Step outside.
No, just ask somebody
This
to
is
please.
all being recorded.
Just please sign it, please.
This is all
I'm
being
begging you to
recorded.
please.
No problem with you signing. Just calm down.
Please just sign my
Do you hear
paper,
what he's saying?
please.
He has no problem.
Yes, you do. You know you do. Please, you
Step
please just
outside.
sign
You're
it.
not going anywhere. You
Please,
get that?
please, you do. Give it to the supervisors.
Calm down.
Can you please just sign my paper? You
Grab
keep
your
putting
jacket.
Warren Bar, and that's not the
Stop.
name.
Stop.
And that's not my name. That's not his name.
This is all being recorded
No,
right
he's
now.
cheating. He just cheated. He is cheating. No.
Please step out.
No.
You're being asked to step
No,
out.
wait.
Ushana eventually exited, continuing to curse and spit at staff and officers. This incident underscores the inherent risks faced by healthcare staff in their daily duties and the importance of rapid response protocols.
I came upstairs, she was in the hallway dancing, and I said, oh, you just gonna dance while supervisor's walking around? She was like, I'm on break. I said, okay, well, if you're on break, you need to leave the floor. I'm watching the resident. So either you're on break or you're watching the resident, so she don't want you to tell her nothing. So I came downstairs to the supervisor.
Into the room in. Who is she? What is the name? Do we have her name?
Her name is Ushana. What is Ushana's last name? I don't have the paper in front of me.
So you want more than just her leaving today?
Yes.
Okay.
She literally charged at this lady.
She did. And
Like she wanted to fight. She told me to get my motherfucking hands off of her before she,
Okay.
And so
So you said she charged at you.
she did.
So that would be assault if you believe that you were in fear of receiving a battery. A battery is a physical connection where she's gonna physically harm you. So do you think it was assault, or is it disorderly conduct where she's disturbing the
No,
peace?
she was getting ready to come. They stood in between her.
Okay.
Do we know that CNA's name?
Yeah, Ushana Powell.
Okay.
Powell.
What is your role here? Your rank?
Manager.
Okay.
Manager.
And she is a CNA.
Yes.
And she is like a temp worker that came here for the day, or does she
Yes.
normally come here?
She normally comes here. I've seen her here several times.
So,
So they're aware.
have you ever had issues with her before?
No.
Okay. And so today what happened?
So today she came in, she was in the hallway, she was on her phone dancing. And I've seen her before. She's one of those, she don't want you to tell her anything, so I really don't say anything. But I was walking around, but she on the floor dancing. So I told her, I was like, you see supervisors walking and you just gonna continue to dance. And that's what she told me, I'm on break. I said, okay, if you're on break, then you need to leave the floor. So then she was like, well, I'm watching the patient. So I said, oh, okay, you gonna watch the patient, or you on break, or you watching the patient? She was like, well, why you disrespectful, ma'am? I said, I'm not disrespectful. I'm just trying to figure out what you're doing. I continued to keep walking. So I went downstairs to talk to this young lady to find out what was
your
going on.
supervisor?
She's not my supervisor. She's
my
my
supervisor.
Okay.
She's the CNA supervisor.
Okay.
So she's the CNA supervisor. So I asked her, I was like, so she said she's been having problems with her all day. I said, well, we need to send her home. I said, do we have enough coverage? We can go ahead and send her home. And she was like, yeah. I said, well, you want to go? I said, she said, we can both go. So we went up there. She told her she needs to go. So now she on break, right? She down there. She's sitting down. She's charting. She's documenting, but she on break. She was like, well, I got to go home. What I'm going home for? I said, are you really asking that question? I said, well, first of all, you said you was on break. You didn't leave the floor. I said, are you on break now? What the you talking about? What the f? She just escalated from like 0 to 10 right there. So she got up. She started telling her, get the f away from me. Get the f away from me. F out. While she's still at working. The director, executive director.
Okay.
So he's like second in charge. But
Okay.
he's the only one here, so he is running the whole building. So I told him to call him, and she still started escalating. And then she got up, so I stood back. So she was like, what the f you gonna do? And then she started coming to me, and I kind of stepped back. And then I'm not gonna get hit. Right, she stepped up. I'm gonna get hit though. So she came in front of him, and then a couple people came in between them, and I just went on, and I just stepped back, and I stepped back, and then she talked about what she was gonna do to me.
What are those words? What did she say to you?
My dead grandma, you walk, you know, just,
Right, all of that.
And you took that as that she was going to make physical contact with you.
she was walking towards her. If I wouldn't have got in between her, she would have
and she kept coming up. So I kept coming back, and she was like, and how on you and all this, that, and another, and so on and such. What? And then they got into the elevator. She got on the elevator. She went down, and then that's when we kept saying, call you guys. And they said you was pulling up, and then that's when we came down, and you seen the rest of the show.
Okay. Are you on the phone with Clipboard still?
Yes, my supervisor is on the phone with clipboard.
Okay.
Yes.
If I could just get her a middle initial and a date of birth if they have that on file.
Can I get her middle initial and a date of birth?
And an address if she's going to refuse to provide one.
Huh?
So we have two things here. We have a local ordinance, which is she would get a ticket and she'd go to a local court. Or there would be a cite and release, and you'd be the victim of the situation. You'd go to that court, right? The Orland Park court. Or, depending on her criminal history, if there is any, it would depend on if she would be charged. It's called a long form, or she'd go to Bridgeview Courthouse, and it's handled within the jurisdiction of the courts. Would you object to her receiving a citation today and going to an Orland Park court?
No, she can go to Orland Park. She
Okay.
can get a citation. We can keep it local. It was just a whole total level of disrespect.
Okay.
And you can't come to a workplace and then just think you can say anything and then threaten people and feel like it's just okay and I can go do this again.
Yeah.
And again. And I mean, I was okay with her just leaving the building. But then when I came down, she just started snapping off on the ED. It was like she just didn't respect anybody because he told her she asked him. So when I came down, it was in the process of saying he was gonna sign it, and he was trying to talk to her to figure out what was going on, and she just like blew up and was like, just sign it. And so he was getting ready to sign it. He was in the process, and then she just started hollering at him and started at this place, and I think she was gonna spit on him too. And
Let me go talk to him as well if I can get his information. Hi. Do you mind if I get your version of events? I did talk to them. Did you witness the situation from when they were asking her to leave, or did you witness anything prior to
Only
that?
witnessed the last 20 minutes right here.
So how long is this going on?
Honestly, I can't say because they say it started on the second
Okay.
floor. So my receptionist came and said that they called me to the second floor because they were having a situation up there.
Okay.
And then when I told them I was on my way up, but like 5 minutes later, I started hearing her screaming out here. So I came out to try to talk to the CNA, and I explained to her like what's going on. She wouldn't stop screaming.
Okay.
She wouldn't. She started cussing me out, and I'm like, listen, I'm trying to help you, but I can't help you if you keep screaming.
Yeah.
She just wouldn't stop screaming.
We witnessed
so then, she gave gave me the phone to sign her out, and as I was trying to sign her out, she's just still yelling at me. So I'm like, okay, take the phone. I just need you to leave.
Yeah.
Like, at this point, I just need you to leave. And I didn't know that you guys had already been called. But when she started, like, raising her voice even more, I'm like, someone called the police. And then that's when they told me that you already had been called.
Okay.
And then, like, I'm trying to at least get her out of the facility because now I have families and everyone watching, and she just would not stop.
Okay. So I have you as the executive director, the CNA supervisor.
She is our restorative nurse.
Yes. So they have her over. She had walked off, but there are 2 or 3 units with her right now. I'm going to write a citation for her that she is going to follow up with an Orland Park court. You're going to be given that information because you are the victim of the situation, and I'll give you an incident number as well.
Okay. Do I need to show up or I don't have to show up?
Yeah, you would be the victim of the situation, so you do have to show up. But it's local. It's right across LaGrange. You know where the Civic Center or the Village Hall is?
I think, yeah.
I'll give you all the information. You can show up if you choose to show up. Don't show up if you don't choose to show up. But it will only be, it would be pending based on if you show up or not.
Okay.
Okay? I'll be with you in just a second.
What happened? What's
Hey,
going on?
I literally didn't do anything. I'm sorry.
Oh, I know,
I
you're
literally-
upset. You're upset. I get it.
I literally was upstairs doing my job.
What do you do?
Literally, I'm a CNA. All my residents are clean. I was about to go on break.
Gotcha.
I was about to go on break. I was on break actually, but
Okay.
one of the residents had to go to the restroom. So I stood by her door, but I was on my phone.
Okay.
So the supervisor walked up there immediately on bullshit.
Was that the dude?
That
Someone
was the lady with the ponytail.
Okay.
She like, is this your set? And I'm like, no. And I'm like, I'm on break right now. So she's like, you cannot be right here. I'm like, why are you being disrespectful? Literally, this is exactly how it went. I'm like, why is it being disrespectful? She's like a child. Like her and her friend are laughing like they in high school, like they bullying me, like literally like trying to bully me.
Okay.
So I ain't say nothing else. I went to go chart. I'm sitting down charting and they both walk upstairs like, you gotta go home. And I'm like, for what? She's like, what you doing? I'm like, charting. She's like, you can't chart on your break, go home. Literally just messing with me, like for what? Like for what? Like that's so goofy, like that is so lame, G. Like I promise to God, that is so lame. I didn't do nothing. I could not think of nothing. I just did wrong. That just went off because they sent me home. I'm trying to make money. I've been here since 6 in the morning, bro.
What time do you get off?
2.
2? Okay.
Yeah, that's so lame, bro.
So you're almost off anyway.
Yes, but that's
Okay.
just so lame.
Hold on. We're not done.
What?
Because I need to get your story. They called on you. We got to get your information.
I
All
just
that.
told you I don't want to give y'all
We
my
have to have
information.
it. We have to have it.
I don't want to give y'all my information. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm about to go
You're
home.
gonna make this into a bigger thing
Oh,
than it
I
needs
want
to
to
be.
go home. Oh my God, now they got the police out here fucking with me. My name is Yushana Dosapel,
Do you have
and
an
I'm
ID on
19, and I'm ready to go home.
Do you have an ID on you?
I know I don't have no ID.
Okay.
I'm ready to go home. But what did I do wrong? I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay,
I
relax.
just told y'all. I'm
just
sorry.
talking
I'm
to
just so irritated right now. I'm
I
sorry.
understand.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Do you wanna sit down?
I'm sorry.
We're not gonna fuck with you. We're not
My
gonna
name,
fuck with
I think I got a picture on my ID. That's it. I don't
Okay,
even
that's
have.
fine.
I don't have my ID
That's
on me.
no big deal.
you. Just gotta get your
Like no. Cause man, I didn't just do nothing at all.
How long you work there?
I've been working here since like June, and I'm like, okay.
But you're waiting for the resident to use the
Yes, and
bathroom,
I'm like,
right?
I'm on break right now.
Okay.
She was like, well, or whatever. And then she walked off, but it was her and another lady. They walked down the hallway. She was like, was I disrespectful? Was I disrespectful to her? And the lady like, no. So then they walk off and they come back up the elevator with another supervisor. And I'm sitting down charting. And she's like, we want to see you home. And I'm like, for what? She's like, you just asked for what? For what? Like, she really acted like...
blew up?
She really acted like I was in there angry. I'm not angry. Like, my whole set is perfect right now. I do my job and I do my job right.
Yeah.
Like she really was just messing with me.
Okay.
Literally, she was just messing with me. Like she got in a good mood today or something. Like that is so lame.
Nothing got physical or anything? No threats?
No,
anything
nothing
like that?
got physical. I told them to get off of me. They kept grabbing me and I told them they can't touch me. Just get off of me.
Okay.
I'm ready to go. I'm so ready to go, dude. I'm ready to go. My bus is gonna pull up literally. And nobody finna take me home. I didn't do shit. But my work. My job. Fuck. This shit lame. I'm ready to go. They got me right here for what? I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I am so ready to go right now. I'm so irritated. I'm ready to go home and go to sleep, G. I'm ready to go. Let me order my Uber, G, because y'all is what? This is making me so mad. I'm ready to go. Like, what? Like, I'm ready to go, G. Don't you talking about calm down on my dear grandma? They got me standing right here for what? For what? I didn't threaten nobody, I didn't hit nobody, I didn't touch nobody. On my dear grandma, they ass touching me.
Said it's
They
gonna
ass
be
touching me.
MB.
On my dear grandma, 3 police right here for what? For stop me, G, on my dear grandma. What the you talking about right now? I'm not doing shit. Fuck, I'm not talking to you. DNR on me, y'all never see me again, bro. Never. So for y'all to sit in my face try to argue with me, it's lame, bro. Lame. It's lame. I'm like, dear grandma, that shit lame, bro. 10 years old, bro. I'm ready to go home, bro. I'm ready to go home. This shit lame as hell, bro. This shit lame as hell. This shit pissing me off on my grandma. This shit pissing me bro. Can I go, please? What's going on? Can you tell me what's going on?
Yeah, they're in there talking to those people investigating.
But this stuff was literally like 2 minutes long.
I know, but you were causing a whole scene in there.
2 minutes. Why did my shit right here?
I know you
The
were.
whole thing was just like 2 minutes long. Literally. I just left the building at 35, 38, whatever time it was. It was 12:46 when it started. And I was out the building by 12:50. Like, what is going on? Like, this is blowing me. This is blowing me. I didn't touch nobody. I didn't hit nobody. So what are y'all holding me right here for? This lame. This lame. And see how they got me right in the middle of the rail, folks. This lame. And see how I went through the back. Like, this lame still. I'm like, grandma, then the other lady, not with no emergency, folks. I'm still telling they ass like, fuck, my motherfucker bus finna go. They ass motherfucker take me to Chicago. They ass motherfucker go to me motherfucker live. I'm ready to go. This lame, folks. This lame as hell, folks. This shit lame. Oh my grandma, I'm ready to go. These hoes in the way. These hoes in my way. These hoes is in my way. These bitches is in my way. These bitches in my way. This shit pissing me the out. I'm ready to go. And they not letting me go. No, the will. Can you please tell this lady to hurry up? Because it's not that deep. This was literally like a 2 minute. The altercation and shit happened so fast. I want to try to see why I'm still standing right here. I said some words to the I asked her to sign my They didn't want to sign my I'm not leaving till you sign my Pay me my money and I will go. They the ones who made it a bigger issue. We're not paying. How you not gonna pay me? They literally told me they're not gonna pay me for my Bitch, you gonna pay me for my Oh my grandma, you gonna pay me for my Targo. Like they is really in my face right now. This is making me so mad. Damn.
Alright, she's gonna come talk to you. That's her right there.
She don't for what? I don't want to talk to her.
No, you got it.
Well, I don't want to.
Okay.
I don't want to. I don't. What am I talking to her for? The hell? I'm ready to go, folks. Oh my grandma, I'm ready to go. They has been having me right here for like 5 minutes now. Bitch, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Like, what the like, it's just so fucking crazy. Like, the world's so fucking crazy. Like, these regular people got all this fucking authority for no motherfucking reason. Like, come on now. Be for real, dude. Come on now. Motherfuckers just want to talk all my day. Like, oh my God. Like, oh my God. What does she want to talk about? What do I ain't even gonna argue no but they put hands on this. But let me shut up. Yes, ma'am. Can I please go?
Yeah. I got a ticket for you. You just got to follow up with the Orland Park Court, okay?
Orland Park Court? What I got a ticket for?
Assault.
I did not touch anyone.
Okay.
I did not assault anybody.
Then you can go to
I
court.
did not threaten anybody.
You're screaming right now.
But I did not threaten anybody.
When I was on
okay,
scene,
give me the ticket. Give me the ticket.
You got to sign right here saying you're receiving a
ticket.
Okay.
Irritating.
You just go to the judge and talk to
Give me
them.
the ticket.
Okay.
Yes, in the way.
Ushana Dotson Powell was stopped and issued an MV citation for assault, with a court date on March 5, 2024. Leslie, the victim, was also given the court date.
It's technically assault. This is what it's categorized as, okay?
Okay.
Assault is when somebody threatens to commit a battery, and the person receiving it, who would be receiving the battery, is in fear of receiving that battery, right? Okay. So, like, even if she spat at you, that's battery. Like, if there's a physical connection, that's the problem, right? But there was no physical connection, but it was the threat of the physical connection. That's assault. So there's court date March 5th, 2024 at 9 a.m. at the Orland Park Civic Center, which is 14750 Ravinia, right here in Orland Park.
Okay, that's by the DMV, right?
Yeah, across the street.
Okay.
So if you want a copy of the report, you can request an attestation. All the witnesses that were in the room with us there earlier are going to be added to the call as well. So there's going to be a lot of information. There's going to be a report about the whole situation.
Okay.
All right? Okay. And if you change your mind, whatever you choose to do, you decide to not show up, they will probably just continue it, unless you have a reason or an emergency as to why you could not be there. But if you choose to not continue it, that's your decision, okay?
Okay.
Is there somebody that could answer this? Do you want her banned from this location?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to put a criminal trespass on her, that if she does come back to this location, even if she comes back in 25 minutes and says, I forgot my headphones or something, you know, right? So if she comes back, she needs to be notified that she cannot come back here. Once she is notified and she still chooses to come back here, she can be arrested for criminal trespass if she comes here and the business is willing to sign complaints.
Okay.
All right?
Do I Are we supposed to contact her and let her know she can't come back, or do you want to do that?
I will do that.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'll let them know.
Okay.
A video of the incident was later obtained and uploaded as evidence. Yushana received a lifetime ban from Warren Bar. The safety and security of both staff and residents remain paramount, and such incidents are thoroughly investigated to ensure accountability and prevent future occurrences.